Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another video. Basic training, basic.com, B4S1C.com. Check it out. In today's video, we are going to go over the master track, and specifically we're going to go over two plugins that we put on our master tracks for clients when we're bouncing things down and for them to hear temporarily. So the first plugin that we put on our master track is Izotope Ozone 5. Izotope Ozone 5 is full of so many different features, and they even have Ozone 6 out available now. But Ozone 5 is amazing, I love it, and what I typically do is I just throw a CD Master or CD Master Exciter and Whitener preset on it. You can go through and you can change it and play around and listen to other different presets. It's really nice to listen to. This preset puts on the maximizer, dynamics, equalizer, and harmonic exciter. You can go through and you can click on these individually and affect them if you want. Right now I just leave it as it is. After that, I have the Waves L2. The L2 Ultramaximizer is a really great plugin. It adds a lot of warmth and it adds a lot of gain, and it levels out your mixes really well. I mean, I use this to basically make all my tracks sound the same level, because there's a lot of times when you bounce something down, it's really quiet, or in other times when it's really loud. So this really levels the playing field and it makes things sound similar. So I'm going to give you an example of what this track sounds like without these two plugins, and then what it sounds like with these two plugins turned on. So first, here it is without. So pretty simple, but take a listen to what this sounds like once I turn these two tracks on. I mean, these two plugins, excuse me. Again, these are on the master track. So you can really hear the difference between the two. It adds a ton of warmth, it makes it a lot louder, it cleans a lot of the low ends up. I would highly recommend this to anybody who's making tracks and want to bring them to the next level, give them that extra oomph. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, give us a like, a comment, subscribe. Anything helps. We appreciate it, guys. Peace.